let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Hi, and welcome to day 9 of our Walt Disney World trip. We are off to Magic Kingdom this morning. We're at Old Key West. We're just waiting for our minivan to turn up, which should be coming around that corner any second now. It's a lot warmer today, isn't it? So we're back on shorts and t-shirts. There's Dad in his little people mover top. But yeah, minivan should be here in a minute. Hopefully seeing the family a little bit later, and some of the other family at Disney Springs. Fingers crossed that still goes ahead. But yeah, come along with us to Magic Kingdom, and let's see what we get done today. Here comes the minivan, the same number we had the other day, which is crazy. This is us. If you haven't been on a minivan, do get one. They are incredible. They're super cool. We're in Magic Kingdom, guys. There she is. Nice blue skies today, which is lovely. We're here a little bit later as per usual, but we're off to see the family. So as you know already, I didn't end the vlog yet again last night. We got back quite late last night, and we got back from Hollywood Studios. We're really tired. Me and Dad went and grabbed a quick service from Foods to Go at Old Key West. We got back to the room, Liv had fallen asleep, so we went asleep. So wasn't very exciting, but yeah, that was the end of the vlog. So I'm going to end this now, and we'll catch up with you in the next one. So morning from Magic Kingdom. As I've said, we're meeting up with the family in a little bit. They're going to meet us here in a couple of hours. So we're going to have a little wander. We're not doing Ginny Plus because we're meeting some of the rest of the family later at Disney Springs. So it's going to have a chilled one today, see what we get done. I think at the moment we're going to head down to Tomorrowland and go on Buzz Lightyear because we haven't done that yet this trip. And Liv really wants to go on it, and possibly the People Mover. And then yeah, we'll see what we get done. The weather's definitely got a little warmer. It's a little chilly at the moment, but we're in t-shirt and shorts, we're braving it. There's still people in big coats. But it's going to be like 23 later, so I thought, let's just brave it. Liv's still got her blanket, so she's all good. But yeah, we're just having a little walk around now, which is nice. And yeah, as I said, we're not here all day because we're going to meet the family later, so we'll just take it easy and see what we get done.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy F31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
Good morning everyone from the Magic Kingdom. It's about 10:30 now. Sorry, a little bit late doing the vlog this morning. Hope you're all doing well. It is day 9 of our Florida trip to Disney World. Today we're at Magic Kingdom. As I said, we're meeting up with the family shortly for a little bit, and then we're going to head to Disney Springs later. We've just done People Mover in Carousel Progress. Dad wants to drop his coffee, and I don't think we're looking up. It's a very long line. So we're just walking through the back of Fantasyland. We've got Mine Train over here. There's the teacups. We just had an early lunch, didn't we? It's
11:15 a.m.
Yeah. Well, it's like 12:15 and it's been about an hour by the time we've had food. What did you have today?
Today I had a grilled chicken sandwich with cucumber and a kind of a mandarin sauce. It was okay. It was a bit
From
dry.
Cosmic Rays, wasn't it?
If I'm honest, the bun was too dry and it wasn't perfect. It was okay.
Just complains about everything.
The chicken felt a bit rubbery today. It wasn't as nice as it could.
Rubbery chicken.
They look good in the photos, don't they?
Yeah, they look nice in the photos. I had my standard chicken tenders and fries because that's what I live by. And yeah, we done mobile order again. Food comes about $40. You can see Mine Train there. You see it coming round. There's people in coats and it's now currently about 23 degrees and it's nice and warm. We're in t-shirt and shorts. But yeah, people seem to be wearing jeans and coats still. The queue, what on earth is she wearing? Don't know why you'd want so many layers on. Where are we going, Olivia? Is it our favourite? Yeah!
It's not Granddad's favourite.
No, not Grandad's. So this is our favourite ride. Ariel's about a 25-minute wait. So haven't got a problem with that, but you're queuing inside.
And my person went on Monster Inc.
Oh yeah, we did the Monsters Inc. laugh floor. I've got it.
I'm going to say I left it in there. This is a great photo opportunity spot here. Normally the photo pass photographers here, but they're not here today. And there's some of the background gardens as you walk through to Ariel's grotto and the lovely fountains. It's certainly warming up today. It's yeah, it's about 22. It feels warm, but you're not sweating. It's not that humid at the moment, but it's a welcome change from the really cold temperatures we've had since about the 20th. No, sorry, the 22nd, 23rd December, right through to the 27th. It's been very chilly. So now I'm by the Gaston's Tavern. That's where you get your blue foods, brew and pastries. That's a nice spot actually. It's very warm here. I'm going to go and stand in the shade.
So I think the last we caught up with you, we were walking through Fantasyland, going towards Ariel. That said 30 minutes, it was about 50 minutes, wasn't it? By the time we got in it. The queue sort of like just stopped midway through for like a good 15 minutes. I think a lot of people Lightning Lane were coming on, but the family's finally here, so I'm going to go and meet them. We're just walking through now by Peter Pan and Small World. It's super busy. It's nice and hot, the sun is shining brightly, which I'm happy about. No, it's not humid, it's just quite nice, isn't it? It's not a UK hot, like hot and sticky, but it's a nice temperature at the minute. But the crowds are here, as you can see. Keep going this way. Yeah. There's the old famous Tangle toilets, if you know, you know. They're probably the best toilets, I think, in Magic Kingdom, or on property.
Very large.
I do like the frozen toilets, saying that. They are very nice too. Theming-wise, anyway. And then you've got the Tangle Tower in the background. You can see that. I do think there should be a Tangled ride. If you think there should be a Tangled ride, give me a comment down below. 100% there should be a Tangled ride. They could do a Tangled boat ride around the back of there. So I think the last we caught up with you, we were walking through Fantasyland, going towards Ariel. That said 30 minutes, it was about 50 minutes, wasn't it? By the time we got in it. The queue sort of like just stopped midway through for like a good 15 minutes. I think a lot of people Lightning Lane were coming on, but the family's finally here, so I'm going to go and meet them. We're just walking through now by Peter Pan and Small World. It's super busy. It's nice and hot, the sun is shining brightly, which I'm happy about. No, it's not humid, it's just quite nice, isn't it? It's not a UK hot, like hot and sticky, but it's a nice temperature at the minute. But the crowds are here, as you can see. Yep, there's a lot of people. But yeah, the family are on, I think, Aladdin's carpet ride. We're going to go and meet them. I don't know.
Traffic stop. She just pressed the button. She could have stopped it.
But yeah, there are busy queues. busy. Oh, it's saying 25 minutes. We're not going on that now though. Keep going this way. Yeah. There's the old famous Tangle toilets, if you know, you know. They're probably the best toilets, I think, in Magic Kingdom, or on property.
Very large.
I do like the frozen toilets, saying that. They are very nice too. Theming-wise, anyway. And then you've got the Tangle Tower in the background. You can see that. I do think there should be a Tangled ride. If you think there should be a Tangled ride, give me a comment down below. 100% there should be a Tangled ride. They could do a Tangled boat ride around the back of there. Or just retheme Small World. Sod it. Why not?
is the Tangle Boat.
You could easily do a Tangle Boat ride, 100%. Go and see the floating lights, that'd be amazing.
Just call it the Tangle Boat.
But yeah, we're going to go around to Adventureland and attempt to meet the family. I think that's the plan at the moment. And we'll catch up with you when we get there in a minute. So we've just gotten off the Little Mermaid ride. We're now heading through because the family's here. We're going to go and get on Aladdin, the carpet ride, magic carpet ride. It's pretty busy though, really busy. I'm going to go meet them. And I don't know what else we're going to get on because it's so busy today. Everything's like an hour's wait or longer. So it's a little bit chaotic. But let's see how we get on. Excited. We're on magic carpets. Whoa! Woo! Hey Liv, say hi.
Hi!
I don't think I've ever been on this, maybe when I was a kid. You can get a good view though. And there's the dad behind. Dad, say hi! Woo! Where the family are, they're down below somewhere behind us. Can't really see. Hi guys! So we did the Aladdin carpet ride, didn't we, with the family?
Yes, I've done that for ages.
I don't think you did it the other week we lived. You did it last week.
That's true. A week.
You done it last week we lived, but I haven't done it. I don't think since I was a kid probably. But Liv really enjoyed it. So we then did Pirates, which was about a 40-minute wait, which wasn't too bad. It was moving, to be fair, wasn't it? So that was fun, which we enjoyed. There's Liv sitting there chilling. This is the queues currently. I think they've just finished like one of the Christmas parades. So we're just heading back up towards Fantasyland. I'm going to go and wait by Phil Magic for the family. They're just grabbing a Dole Whip in Adventureland. So we'll meet them up there in a little bit.
Hey guys, come to my channel!
So last we caught up with you, I think we just met the family and we went and done the Aladdin Magic Carpet Ride, which Liv really liked. You liked doing the carpet ride, yeah? And then we went and did, what did we do after that? We did Pirates. So we've not long got off Pirates. It's about a 40-minute wait. It wasn't too bad. But if you look at the crowds, they're pretty busy. Look at all the crowds. Dad doesn't understand why there's so many crowds. I was like, it is Christmas week.
Hello! Hello!
What are you doing? Can you do a little dancing for me?
Yeah.
Come on then. So the family have just gone down to grab a Dole Whip. We're waiting for them. Yeah, and then we're going to go on Philo Magic, which is right behind us. And yeah, it's about 3:45 now. So we've been here quite a while since this morning, so we'll just see what we get done. But it is super busy today. So we've just done Philo Magic with the family. They're just in front of us. Liv's having some Lay's crisps. We're going to head back, I think, in a little bit. We're just going to go get the railroad and do like a loop because it only opened a couple of days ago. So we want to get that done at least once. We're going to go with the family, which would be quite nice. So we're just heading down Main Street now to go and get that. I think they've got one of the shows on by the castle that's hopefully finishing up soon, but we'll head down there now. And then after that, once we've done the railroad loop, we're then going to go to Disney Springs later. We need to head back to Old Key West and get the owner's locker and pick it up, don't we? So if anyone else has the owner's locker, I've heard very good things, but it's our first time getting one, so we're looking forward to using that, so that when our next trip we've already got stuff here, which would be good. So yeah, we're going to go to Disney Springs later, have a little mooch about, see what we can find in the shops, and probably grab a bite to eat, I expect. No, I think we're going to try and go, oh my god, that's got a life. You've probably just seen that reaction to me thinking I've just seen a snake. It was in fact just a squirrel. Down to Disney Springs, T-Rex or Rainforest Cafe is probably on the list. As I said, we're Landry Club members, so we should get a seat. So that would be nice. But yeah, we'll let you know how we get on. What you got, Liv? Liv's got a Mickey bar. They're over $6. What the hell? Daylight robbery. There's Lillian. Here's Just
drive.
Dad's out.
You actually
We're
drive.
basically at the railroad waiting for it to come through. Should be here in a minute. We've got about a 5-minute wait, which is good.
That's nice.
You can see the tree and the castle through there in the distance.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just waiting for the train.
They run every 7 minutes, he said.
It's about every 7 minutes, so but there's not really a queue, is there? There's a couple of people. There's not that many one around.
Go up the ramp from the Chamber of Commerce in the corner at Main Street, and you go up the ramp and just park.
Stroller parking's over
You
there.
can see all the other Disney stores. You'll park your customers.
Dad's very excited. Dad's super excited, aren't you? Are you excited?
Got a job here as a guard. Platform supervisor. There it comes.
Folks, we're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, palms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. If you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible.
Alright, folks, just make sure your hands, arms, feet, and legs are fully inside our train at all times. Once again, please make sure all hands, arms, feet, and legs are inside our train. Thank you.
Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just stealing a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up. 'Cause this here's Frontierland. Outposts, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is full of tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine trains. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Be sure to say hi. Those critters love when folks drop in. We've reached Frontierland Station. Watch, sit tight, and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. Even disembark. These carriage doors all around. That'll help make room for any new ones. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Alright, folks, please remain seated until we come to that full and complete stop, and I'll give you the words all clear. And there's our all clear, folks. You're all set.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The changing scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and took my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake.
Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and heading straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I say all clear. And as we slow down, as a friendly little reminder, remain seated.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on the straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. Wow.
There's the building. Wow. There's the trunk. Look at the size of it. Wow, that's big. That's big. Look at it.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets in Spaceport 75. The technology that...
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating.
Is it? Oh wow.
Locomotive maintaining trajectory.
We're going in the trunk.
Intervention not required.
Wow, there's the infrastructure there.
That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? History in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say, sky's the limit. But even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Spaceman. It was too low down, wasn't it? Yeah.
Please make sure all feet and legs are inside the train.
There's the monorail. That's good. Wow, look at that. That's a good shot. We're going side by side with monorail.
Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we approach Main Street Station, please remain seated until we come to a fully complete stop. And I let you know when it is safe to exit by saying all clear. For now, please remain fully seated. Remain seated. All clear. Watch your head and step as you exit. If you have any strollers, please make sure they are folded and remain folded until they leave the station platform.
Go out and then okay, watch your step. It's a big one. All right, good girl. Lydia.
Drop down. You alright?
Come here, Lydia.
Yeah. Let's go.
Walk down and go back up.
Straight. I think we might have to. Yeah, we might have to. There's the train. There's the track. Okay, got that. Train ride. That was really good. Coming into the hallway. great man too. Okay, go on, let's get the stroller. Oh, we've got to go back up to get the stroller. Yeah. We can go in this way though, the outer station concourse up here. Yeah, I'll show you.
So we've just left Magic Kingdom, all the lights have just come on and it's so pretty at this time of night. We've left the family, we're now going to go and get the bus back to Old Key West to our resort. We've got to pick up our owner's locker, take it back to the room, and then we're going to get the DVC ferry boat over to Disney Springs and go and grab some dinner there and just chill for a little bit. I think that's the plan. We've had a long day, but we're seeing the family again tomorrow at Epcot. So we'll catch up with you once we're on the way to Disney Springs. So we're just leaving Magic Kingdom, we're just out now by the bus stop area. We're going to number 13, which is Old Key West, going back to the resort. We're then going to pick up our owner's locker and then we're going to go and get the DVC ferry boat over to Disney Springs and just chill for a bit. And I think grab a bite to eat, probably go to T-Rex or Rainforest Cafe. As I said earlier, we're Landry Club members. So yeah, we'll go and grab a bit of dinner, I think. And then we're seeing the rest of the family tomorrow at Epcot because we've got a part reservation there. So that'd be nice, we've left them to it. We've had a long day, we've been here since 9:30, it's now 6 PM. A long day at Magic Kingdom. We don't normally do full days, we normally go back to the resort and chill, but it's been a bit different. So yeah, we haven't done loads today, but we've done enough for what it is, and we've done a lot of queues. So yeah, Dad's gone the wrong way. He's walked to the boardwalk, why not Old Key West? This is us, not that one, this is us. Dad's like, there's a big queue. I was like, no, that's the boardwalk. This is Old Key West, there's no one here. We're going to fold it up in a second. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get to Disney Springs in a little bit. It's snowed at Disney Springs. Wow.
We've got snow at Disney Springs and it's a wow, look at that. Straight in your face. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is really nice. This is amazing. Woo! Nick's entertained, I'm entertained, this is really good. Oh, sorry. Wait, don't slip on this, it's quite slippery. It's lovely. It's really nice. Yeah. Oh my god, this is cool. I've never seen up there all the time. Come over this side. Can you do it? You see the snow, Nick? It's snowing. I can't believe it. We're all getting covered in soapy snow, but it's lovely. It's just like it's just amazing. It's all over my head. Come on then. In a minute. We've just got to get to the restaurant. So. Hold on to that though. Wow. This wasn't this thick last week at Christmas, but it's really nice tonight. Oh my god. It's just like all the year here.
So we're currently at T-Rex at Disney Springs. We're just inside the gift shop. Livia's found a bag of rocks for $10 and filling up all the different ones. Not that we're buying them. But you found it. Oh, they're pretty. Put them in a bag then. They've got some good kids merch. I think all the tops are quite nice and quite reasonably priced, but you said the adult ones got that. Hello?
Sorry. The adult t-shirt collection.
I think I need to cue him in future when I'm filming because he has no idea what's going
I
on.
used to have a really good selection of adult t-shirts, but they've got a good selection for kids, but nothing for adults. Very 2 or 3 choices.
He's whinging again. But yeah, because we're Laundry Club Card members, we've got like added to a wait list, so you don't need a reservation. I know it's Christmas week, but they said about a 40-minute wait, so we're waiting roughly about 40 minutes now, so hopefully any minute now, which would be good. Okay. Like what colours then? Right, what ones? I like these ones, they're cool. I want to like these, are so pretty. Oh, it's like a yellow colour, that's cool.
Like this one. This one is a rare colour.
It's a rare colour, but yeah, the merch is okay. They've got like build your own dino. You know, like how like Build-A-Bear, like in the UK, same sort of thing, but it's build your own dinosaur, like a Build-A-Bear workshop. But the shop is quite good. Like I said, they've got different merch. They've got cups, snack bands, kids plush toys, dinosaur staff t-shirts. There's pretty much everything. But yeah, the restaurant, if you've ever been to Rainforest Cafe, it's very similar and it's owned by like the same company with Landry's. Oh, table is ready, let's go and we'll see you when we get there. Someone call the fashion police. Dad is offended by someone's outfit. Yeah, you can probably spot it. But yeah, we're just waiting to go in. Olivia's ready for food. Getting the menus, are you ready? We love the meteor showers, they're amazing. Can we go there? Whoa, look at that going. So we've just got to T-Rex, we've just got to our table, Liv's doing some colouring, and this is the rooms in T-Rex, if you've not seen them before. It's very similar to like Rainforest Cafe if you've been there, but we're just going to do a bit of colouring for a minute while we wait for Dad, and then we get some tea. Yeah?
Hello and welcome from T-Rex in Orlando. This is DJ Dave. No, it's not. It's somebody else.
Do you know him? Do you know him? Because I don't.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
I'm trying to pre-warn Dad when I'm vlogging. Anyway,
Okay.
as I said, we're at T-Rex now. I'm just going to show you a bit of the menu.
Yes.
These are the appetizers to give you a bit of an idea.
I want to tell you
Seafood options.
what you ate.
Yeah, you can show me the kids menu. These are burgers and sandwiches. We have eaten here loads before, so obviously we know the menu quite well. But they do have a big selection of different stuff. Okay, the pasta's quite. Alright, darling, the pasta's quite good. They do big boneyard buffets, loads of meat stuff, obviously. The fire roasted rotisserie chicken is very good, and so is the New York strip. Bit pricey, but it's still very good.
Tell the lady
Sides and desserts. They do special bundles, and so yeah, this is what we have. So we have a Landry's Club card. You get priority seating basically, you get special deals for your birthday. It's free to join, do it. You can use it at other places as well. But they do DVC discount and 10% here as well.
Yeah,
So
on the main meals, you don't get it on alcohol and
no, it's only on main meals,
just the
not on
main
desserts
main
and
meals.
starters and stuff.
It's
Are you going to show me the children's meal?
Today I'm going to eat a burger and a apple juice and a
Okay,
yogurt.
so these are the different options you get for children. So you've got like corn dogs, cheese and macaroni, pizza, pasta, chicken strips, burgers, etc. You get sides of mash, veggies, yogurt. So there's loads of different options. Milk and apple juice and water, and then you get a quickie.
I'm gonna have that.
She likes this, the chocolate tar bit. So it's gummies of gummy dinosaurs.
Yeah, like worms.
Like gummy worms. Lovely. This is like the ice room, like the ice age room as I call it. That's the mammoth room. This is like the big octopus looking thing that my dad doesn't like. They also do like these little character cups if the kids want them. Obviously I think you pay a bit extra, but you get to hit the cup when you order the drink. They do different, where's the set menu thing? They do like a set menu as well. They have about 7 different menus here, I swear. But they have like these big options you can get. I had one of these years ago and I was so stuffed, but they do different options if you want different foods. Some of it looks really, really good. And they also do loads of cocktails as well. The cocktails are really nice. Okay, thanks for telling me that. They're really good.
Is that where we sat over there?
Yeah, me and Liv walked over there just now.
We were by the bug.
We were by the bug over that side, weren't we?
Over there.
Yeah, Liv went over just now and was like, that was our old room.
I said we were here.
Yeah,
I said we were
they're
here.
like they're literally right behind you. Stop, Liv, this is funny. So what are you drinking?
De-icer. Sorry.
It's not quite de-icer, is it? Oh, Liv's going to have a drink by one of these in a minute.
Coronation.
Nice.
With a slice of lime.
Pass the line. What have you got in your little baby cup? Have you got milk? Why does she look like Miranda?
I want to say something.
Whoa, what do you want to say?
It might be a song.
Oh God, what song is it? It's like a full-on photo shoot, like every single one. It's a big photo shoot. I don't really know why.
This song might be a Christmas song.
Oh God, no. They go and buy everything and pose them like this.
Then watch out, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming.
I think it's actors that last us on the line.
Aren't you cold,
I
darling?
want to show everybody my colouring.
Go on, show me colouring.
And can you do the maze? Can you join the maze?
Or maybe that's their table in the corner, but they just went and done a photo shoot first. But it's the fact that they've still got the bow tie on.
Under the jellyfish area. That's what they said.
Maybe they're jellyfish.
Yeah, they could be a local amateur dramatics who just come off stage.
Sorry, we're not paying you enough attention. Is this your colouring? Can you show everyone your game on here? You've got games on there. Nice, lovely. So, Dad, what did you order again for your food? You're going to have to try it
I'm
out.
going to have the
Livia, no, don't
meatier meatloaf.
Meaty meatloaf, nice. Yeah, nice.
With some red skin mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Always looks good.
I am going for my standard prehistoric pasta with chicken. And Livia's gone for the slider, mash and some veggies.
Drawn all over it.
So that's Liv sorted. But yeah, if you haven't been here, definitely come here. It's a really nice restaurant. We've been here loads of times. I was saying to my dad, I actually prefer this to Rainforest. If you've been to Rainforest Cafe, I think this is better.
If you look at the theming up there on the undersea thing, giant octopus, look.
But Dad is petrified of it. I think he's more scared of the jellyfish, to be fair.
The jellyfish.
Every time we go on Nemo, he gets absolutely petrified.
We're with the fern, was it called the fern forest, right?
On Nemo, Granddad is actually very scared, but there's actually jellyfish
Yes.
near the ride.
But you know they're not real, you know that, right?
Well, they look real to me.
They don't look real to me.
There's like a big wizardly looking grub thing. Last time we came with the family in August, we were over there by this koi room sign, by the big bug on the wall, by the big tree. By the big tree. We were over there by the tree.
Yeah, I was sitting talking to Donna and Verna. I looked up, I saw this giant.
Yeah, the bug, and then the kids were sitting by there, weren't they? Remember?
Oh, we got a lovely picture at Magic Kingdom just now.
Oh yeah, show me. So look, Olivia's drink just turned up. It's like a cherry slush and a little pterodactyl souvenir cup. I think I've got one of these when we come years ago when I was younger.
Probably.
To be fair, I think mine are actually more cocktail ones than juice drinks. But I think Liv's got the purple one from a couple of years ago. I've definitely got indoors somewhere. Or a monkey one or something. She might have from Rainforest. It might be from Rainforest, though, not
There's
from
one
here.
from Rainforest, very similar.
Yeah. I think it was a monkey.
No, I'm
sure
sure
it
it was
was.
by a mammoth. A baby mammoth.
Which was over there.
Yeah. No, it was
Mammoth is
here.
over there.
It was here.
But I think it was a monkey.
Baby mammoth in the ice area.
And it's the other way about
It
Olivia.
was a monkey.
If you say so.
Something like that.
But yeah. Liv's happy with her drink, aren't you? Is it nice? What's your taste test, Liv?
That face.
Is it good? Oh
Oh, you woke
yeah.
up now. I thought you wanted to go to sleep.
Yeah, about an hour ago she wanted to go to sleep, so I managed to persuade her to
Glad
get
you
up
stayed
and then
away.
she's
Very
alright
late
now.
to eat though.
Yeah, it's mega late. It's like nearly 10 o'clock at night. It's not ideal. But she's had a long day, but at least once we've done this we can go straight back to the room and just go to bed. It's fine. But yeah, we'll let you know when we get food in a little bit. So Olivia's food's turned up. She's got a cheeseburger slider, some yummy veggies and some mash, which looks really tasty. Special dinosaur plate. Dad's gone for the, what have you gone for? The meatloaf. Can't take them anywhere, I swear. Dad's dropped them. I think she brought extras, isn't it?
And there's going to be special prices.
Okay, you eat your burger. I've gone for my pasta, which I'm looking forward to. Yeah, Dad's got meatloaf and veg and mash. Looks really good. So we've just finished our main meal. Dad, his meatloaf is very nice. I've got remnants of Liv's burger on mine, but it's very nice. You get a sort of like garlic bread thing, but it was good. And Liv's done okay, haven't you, darling? She's super tired though. But she's had about half of her burger. She's had a bit of broccoli. But it is nearly 25 past 10 at night, it's very late. Dad's just ordered, what dessert have you ordered?
Key lime, cosmic key lime pie.
There's a surprise, because it's his favourite food. And then...
I've had it before.
There is a prize for Mummy.
Yeah, and Mummy's going to get a surprise birthday cake free of charge.
I get a free birthday cupcake, even though my birthday was like 4 weeks ago, five weeks ago. But the manager said they normally like, if it's your birthday and things like that. Well, I don't know about normal birthdays, but with Landry's, they're normally quite good like that.
And when it's your birthday, some people are trying Susie and clap her hands.
I'm really hoping they don't come and clap. I really, really hope they don't, because I'm not really in the mood for that right now.
One, two, three, four. Happy birthday to the mother. Let's do it. We got to keep it special. We got to be still. We hope you have a super birthday.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. That was really nice. Thank you, sir. Wow. Thank you. That was cool.
So we've just got our bill in for T-Rex. It came to, what was it, $100 in total. That was including tax, but also including the 10% discount. But I think that's quite reasonable for what we had, really.
Disappointing, you only get off the main meal. You don't.
Yeah, it's only 10% DVC discount, but it's only on like main meals. However, I think the price wasn't too bad. I had the same thing just now, and sometimes it's a bit embarrassing, but we don't care. But yeah, I think it was quite reasonable. So $100, but our main meals were about 25 each. Dad had a beer, which he wouldn't probably normally have, which was about $8. Plus the dessert. The dessert was quite a bit though, wasn't it? The dessert was $13. Olivia's meal included like a soft drink, which was $11. But then Liv did have a collectible pop drink as well, which was there, which was another $11. So it wasn't too bad really.
So if you had 20% tips, $120, which is exactly £100. Exactly £100.
Yeah. But that's for 2 main meals, a collectible drink, and a dessert.
In a themed restaurant with a speciality cup.
Yeah.
And a beer and...
Yeah, I'm forgetting the beer as well. Yeah, if you'd taken the beer off, it would have been under 100. It is a lot, but you know, I think the food is nice and it was worth it. Yeah, obviously there's no characters, but there is theming everywhere though.
Oh yeah, it's not a cheap.
I do think the dessert is a bit pricey for what that is.
Actually, it's about...
Your dessert was about... Hold on, Liv.
That is 50% more than both.
Yeah,
$8
Dad's like key lime tart they just had was about $13, and there wasn't really a lot there to be honest. I got a free cupcake, but it wasn't really much, was it really?
It was a mini cupcake, wasn't it?
It was a mini cupcake. It's okay. I've got brownies when we get back to the room. It's okay. But yeah, it was okay. It was, but yeah, again, it's reasonable food. And I think the price is quite similar, as I said, to Rainforest.
You're paying for the ambience and the theming.
Exactly.
That's very nice.
Thank you so much. The server was really nice as well. She was really lovely. Can't fault it at all. But another great meal. But anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here and we'll catch up with you when we get back to the room. If I don't film anymore, I do apologise. If not, I might have to vlog it in the morning. But for now, I'm going to end this bit here. We're going to get back in the car and head back to the hotel at Old Key West. And I'll catch up with you when we get there. See you later, guys. So guys, we've just got back to Old Key West. We've just picked up our owner's locker, which we'll go into more detail about in like a separate vlog or something when we leave. But it's quite a big box. Ours is blue. I think some of them are purple, but I assume ours is blue because it's a Disney Vacation Club one. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. It might not look that big on the camera. It is a big box, isn't it, really?
You get some tags.
You get some special like syllable tags and stuff and dividers. You don't have to use them. But yeah, we'll go through that with you properly but the day before we check out in a couple of days' time, and you'll see it obviously when we upload it and everything. But yeah, we're looking forward to using that for future trips. Obviously, for coming out twice a year, we thought it'd be beneficial for us because we can leave some of our like Disney specific things that we don't need, even like toiletry stuff like sun cream, shampoo, shower gels, things that we don't need all the time. We can leave them here. I will probably leave a couple of pairs of ears and some lounge flies or something like that, and a couple of my little Disney tops that I don't always wear at home, but I obviously wear them when we come here. But anyway, yeah, we're going to end the vlog now. Tomorrow, as I said, we're back up tomorrow, meeting family at Epcot tomorrow. I have a couple of friends that I've been chatting to online that are actually DVC members, and they're also in Epcot tomorrow as well, so hopefully I get to meet up with them tomorrow. Whether that actually happens or not is obviously another story, it all depends. But yeah, we're going to end this vlog now. I'm currently just chilling in bed, and yeah, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. But if you've liked our vlog and everything, please do hit the subscribe button, give us a comment, give us a like, give us a dislike, doesn't really matter because it helps the algorithm either way. But yeah, thank you for following along our little Walt Disney World vlog series, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. These are the queues currently for Spaceship Earth. The holiday crowds are here in Epcot. It's taken us about half an hour just to park up and get in this morning. But yeah, these crowds are crazy. As you know, it was like a 2.5 hour wait for Soarin', which is diabolical. I think it's about an hour and a half now, but it's still a long way. I think the lowest wait time now is Grand Fiesta Boat Tour, which is about 35 minutes. So I think we're just going to risk getting queue up because otherwise we're not going to get anything done today. So, the last we caught up with you, we were on the way to go and do Living with the Land and go and get a bite to eat at Sunshine Seasons. Unfortunately, afternoon took a bit of a turn for the worse, and my niece Elena has gone down with a bit of a head injury. The medics came and not going to go into too much detail obviously, but she's been taken to the hospital just to get checked over. She's all okay.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing?